Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be doing a lash tutorial. So first you will need some glue, the lashes of course, and also a pair of scissors. In your fingers. Okay, so the only reason I need the scissors for is because I cut the ends. You see the ends that's sticking out right there, the lash. I trim it off like that. Boom. Get the other side. Boom. Okay, so now it's time to apply the glue, and I don't put that much because that's where you start making a mess. All up on your eyelids and shit. Got them shit sticking together at the top. Got that shit sticking together on the bottom. So I put about that much, if you can see. And then it's time to let it dry. I let it dry for like about 30 or 45 seconds. Now when it's dry, it's time to put it on, and I simply pull my eyelid to the side, giving me like, a kind of shiny eye. No offense if any was taken. And I do so because it helps me like put it on better, like, right on the lining. So, I just make sure it's placed properly. And then boom! Now I literally just let it dry on its own. Usually I have like a piece of paper or something to fan it. When the glue is dry or set, I take my index and my thumb and I squeeze it together so it could blend as much as possible with my actual lashes. Now I repeat the previous step and I apply glue to the lashes again, well, the other side. And I let it dry for a little. Give y'all a little side view real quick. I pull my eye. And then I place it right at the line. Here I just make my adjustments to make sure it's in place and where I want it to be. And as you guys see, I do not use a tweezer. I just simply use my fingers because, it's convenient. And this is my finished result, and I hope you guys like the video. Now I'm just gonna be making like little faces and putting it up close so you guys can see. I'm a perfectionist, so you're gonna see me squeezing it again when I really don't need to.